stop. As tax season looms, don't forget about some deductions that could literally go to the dogs. Accountant and virtual correspondent Debbie joins us from New Jersey. Whether your pup is on patrol or your cat exploits her looks, you may want to hear this. Debbie?
Thanks, Méganne. We're officially in the 2021 tax season, and pet owners are asking if there are any pet-related tax deductions that they can claim. Policy Advisor and Forbes magazine have highlighted 5 potential tax deductions. Service animals. If your pet helps you in the medical capacity or performs certain services, you may be able to deduct related expenses under the medical expense deduction. In some cases, you can claim the cost for keeping therapy or emotional support animals. The important thing to remember is that you must be able to prove that your animal helps you treat a diagnosed medical or physical need. Be prepared to show proper documentation as proof. Working animals. Business owners may be able to get a tax deduction if the pet provides a service to the business, and the cost of keeping the pets are a necessary part of operating your business. Examples would include a guard dog or a cat that protects your office from rodents. Performance animals. If your pets perform in some way that earns you income, you may be able to claim them as a business expense. Just be sure to keep accurate records of every expense related to your pet and the activity that earns income. Fostering animals. If you foster animals from a qualified nonprofit, the expense of caring for the animals could be considered a charitable donation. If you volunteer at animal shelters or rescue organizations, you may be able to deduct the fuel costs related to driving done in service of the organization's mission, but not your commute. Remember to keep track of your mileage. Pet-related moving expenses. If you move to a new home and you meet certain IRS conditions, the cost of transferring your pets to your new home may qualify as a tax deduction. To properly support any deductions, remember to keep track of your pet-related expenses continuously throughout the year. Pet-related expenses would include veterinary care, food necessities, pet supplies, training, grooming, and boarding. Talk to your accountant today and see if you qualify for any of these tax deductions. Back to you, Méganne.